Unbelievable. Do your worst. Bruno Omokri replies a group that has threatened to go after his family in Nigeria for his actions to harass Buhari out of Paris. Hello, my wonderful people. Don't forget that Bruno Omokri is the person who also spearheaded the campaign against harass Buhari out of the UK when he went not so long ago to the UK for his own medical attention. Bruno Mokri was one of those people who spearheaded the whole initiative, saying, you know what, this guy cannot come here and get the best of medical attention when Nigeria is in a dying situation, in need of, medical personnel who are going on strike. And apparently, this man is enjoying himself, comes to the UK, gets the best of medical attention, and leaves the people to worry, leave the people in that state where they cannot even take care of themselves. He needs to go back home and use the very healthcare system he refused to put in place. Again, Buhari, as we speak, is in Paris. My dear, Nigerians have not given the guy a single breathing space. Yes, so you heard me correctly. Nigerians over there in Paris are saying, Buhari, go back home. I mean, don't stay here. Get the best of ambience, the whole atmosphere, the serenity, the security. Why you have not done a thing to make the one in your country good? You are the president. You have the ability and the opportunity to effect change. You refuse to do it. So why come here and enjoy these things? Anyway, for Muno Mokri speaking, some persons have sent a threat to him, telling him that they're going to go after his family members back at home in Nigeria. Bruno said, you know what, do your worst, okay? Man will die one day anyway. So if you want to do anything to them, feel free. It's a free country, okay? Do your worst. But this Buhari, we must send him back. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time. Thank you. A renowned known journalist, Mr. Bruno Omokri, has responded to threats issued at him by a group of Nigerians who are in support of Muhammadu Buhari. He has revealed it in his post with regards to the threat issued on him. Bruno Mokri has been using his influence and professionalism to fight his way into the way Buhari has been leading the country. Because of this, he has created tag and hashtags harass the president out of any country he goes, which many people has really come to in terms with. However, there are people who do not believe in this ideology to harass Buhari out of whatever country he has gone through. And these persons have gone ahead to threaten Bruno Omokri. They have gone ahead to ensure that they make him timid, afraid, so he refused, so that he can refrain from harassing Buhari. It was after he created this hashtag that the anonymous group sent a strong warning to him not to harass the president in Paris, that he should soft pedal. Hence, they will go after his family in Nigeria. Can you imagine that they will go after his family in Nigeria? Bruno Mokri saw the threats, and his reply was that they should do their worst. He counted some countries and claimed that if the president goes there, he would change the hashtag to harass him out of the country. He equally added that the administration would stop paying people to go after him. Rather, they should go after the people causing the various kinds of problem in the country, sort it out once and for all. The threat that was sent to him reads thus: don't go with your hashtag harass Buhari in Paris. So if you do, we'll go after your family members in Nigeria. That was the threat that was issued and sent to Bruno Omokri. And Bruno Omokri he has not mixed words at all. They say, you know what, go after them all you want. Yes, do whatever you want to do. But I can assure you, Buhari being threatened being harassed is not a thing that we can just sweep round down the carpet. Okay, he's going to continuously be harassed until he realizes and he takes it and knows that he needs to do the needful. We cannot allow this man to continue to pretend like all things are well. He left the country in a particular state, and today he wants to go back and enjoy what he has not put in place. Definitely not. We're not going to allow that to happen. Buhari has to be harassed. He needs to be sent out of Paris. He needs to go back home and fix things that he has not put in place. So this is what is going on right now. These are the things happening, and some people are rather sending threats to Uruno Mokri with regards to his family members that are residing in Nigeria, that if he continues on this track of harassing Buhari, they will deal with him. Can you imagine? They will deal with him if he continues to harass Buhari. Do you see that in this country, there are people who are just hell bent on ensuring that Nigeria remain what it is? They don't have love for the country. Oh, no, they don't have. And they intend to keep it that way to ensure that the country does not go anywhere, does not make progress. Is a very shameful situation where we have come to find ourselves today in Nigeria. That all these people and all that is going on, nobody, I mean, repeats, nobody is particularly concerned about the people, about the welfare of people whose family, as we speak, some people's family are in a captivity, and they are just looking out for, a little bit of help here and there. Do you know what is going on with that family? Do you know what they are going through? You see, so I mean, it's a shameful situation that some people do not buy the ideology that everybody should live peacefully. They don't buy the idea. They feel that they have the right to dictate and to call the shot and to decide if Nigerians live or die, or Nigerians are in health and all that. Selfish, selfish, selfish. So you are now harassing and sending a threat to Runo Mokri. What have you gained? He shouldn't speak, yes. Should be silenced like a mouse. Like a mouse, just be quiet. Allow Buhari to merry-go-round, get his tour, move around as much as he wants. Nobody's saying anything to him, and you think he's all right. And nobody's speaking. Excuse me, people, what side of the bed? I mean, most Nigerians, even the rich, the poor, and every category, would want to travel out at some point. So you want to travel out and have the best of all being given to you. So what happened to the other people now? Why we that selfish? What happened to the people, other people in the country who have nowhere to go? What happens to them? Why not make the place a home for everybody? So that those who want to travel, those who do not want to travel, everybody have an equal fair opportunity to be able to stay if they want to stay. And if they don't travel, I mean, they are still comfortable. It is well with my people. Please leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.